Hello, everyone. Let's wait a little bit so we can share the link as always. Federica's in class today, so she will not be joining us, but she will be back tomorrow.
I always thought it was a problem with my computer, like cache or something, but it's actually our stream platform that delays the start. I think that now it should be ready. Yep.
All right, there it is. Well, happy Wednesday, everybody. Let's get this started. Tomas, you're first.
Yeah, sure. So as for my updates, I put up my PR for review yesterday, the one about the canonical chain. I am now tackling a comment by Martin on that same PR regarding transaction locations. I moved that from number to like the getters from number to hashes, but we probably want at least one method that returns the canonical one. So what I'm aiming to do now is I will probably make that a tube sort so that we can store multiple locations for a transaction. And then what we can do is, just select the one that is canonical. In most cases, it will be just the only one. So that's how I intend to handle it. But if that's not the correct way, then we can discuss that offline if that's necessary.
All right. Okay, cool. Thank you. Esteban?
Yep. Well, yesterday I put my pull request as ready to review. I don't think it's finished. I think the code could be improved, but I want to move to something else. So I think it's ready to get merged, and we can open a new ticket for more refactors or the ticket only, or the pull request only addresses some clarity of code, so it's not really a big deal. What I wanted to do is to move to the listen loop for the RLPX protocol, which is what I'm doing right now. I started yesterday by looking at Geth code. It doesn't seem too complicated. I thought it was a bit worse, at least for the happy path. It seems simple enough. So today I'm hoping to implement it and have it running, at least for the very easy path. I know there are a lot of edge cases that I have to tackle, but for the simplest path, I think it will be easy enough. And that's me.
All right, great. Gaston?
Hello. Well, yesterday I was able to test the encoding and decoding of the status message with a local get node. And yeah, I was struggling a bit because I was using the decimal 10 and I should use the hexadecimal 10, which is 16 from the message code. So I spent some time with that, but it's finally working and the PR is ready for review. And I also review Esteban's PR, the ones of the refactor, and yeah, it looks good. So I approve it, and I just left a neat comment. So let me know what you think, Esteban. Today I will start working on the calculation of the fields of the status message, because right now what I'm doing is receiving a status message and send it back the same message so that Keth approves the connection. But now I want to actually calculate the status message with the real values of the chain. So I will be working on that and maybe try to pass the hype test of the status message made we will try to make it work. So yeah, those are my updates.
All right, great, thank you. So for me, I've been doing lots of reviews and that kind of stuff, but I also like took some of the work that Federica has been doing on integrating the try with the rest of the code, and I was doing a proof of concept to see if I could somehow make a cleaner API to access state. So yeah, I'm in the middle of it. Having a couple of blockers, but let's see. Well, what I want to avoid is having like this giant interface with all the methods to access things on the database. Maybe if we can like somehow separate it in different concerns, I think it would be cleaner. So yeah, that's what I'll continue working on today. All right, and yeah, Federica is not here, but yeah, she's been doing a lot of work integrating the state tree. Right? I think she's very close, or I think with the last PR, it's done. So yeah, very exciting. All right, that's all I have. Should we call it?